Hello, little artist! Today we are going to draw something super fun from the playground. It's a slide. Let's start drawing.
Yay! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, let's draw the sliding part of the slide. Now, let's draw 2 railings on the sides of the slide. 1 railing on the left and 1 railing on the right. These help kids slide safely. Now connect the slide parts to make the main slide body. Looking good! Now let's draw the steps so kids can climb up the slide. Draw the steps going up. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp to make our artwork pop. Trace over the lines carefully. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it is time to color. Show your color pens. We will use rainbow colors today. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color.
La da 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 dee.
Brown color. Wow, your slide looks bright and colorful. Amazing work today, little artists. You did a fantastic job drawing and coloring your playground slide. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawings. See you in the next drawing adventure.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.